Hi guys, do you know how I colored it? I will show you. I'm Eric, and welcome to K-Sire Artwork. In this video, I will show you how I process my comic. Come on and let's get started. Using CS3 Photoshop, the first thing I do is to color my scan art line with gray. Because my sketching and penciling process is traditional drawing, I color it with color gray to have a color boundary, so that the color does not go beyond the outside of each character or object on my art page. I time-lapse first before I color. That's it. I'm going to put color on them. The next thing to do is to color them. But before that, don't forget to like or share and subscribe to my channel to be updated with videos like this. Color the character or the object with a solid color and let it look like a flat color first. When you are done with your coloring, this is where we will apply the shades and the secondary shades so that he has depth or 3D effect. Then the highlight will follow to complete the 3D effect, and now one of my panels is fully colored. And here's my time lapse so I can color the entire page of the comic. Let's start. That's it, fellow comics. The coloring of my comic page is finished, but it's not complete, and because it's still going to have a background and thought balloons and lettering. I hope you learned something. How I process my comics. If you have any questions or messages, you can just leave a comment below so I can read it and also shout out in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you.